This is the letter U. Big U, little u. The letter U makes a U sound, like utensil. A lot of words begin with the letter U, like U-turn, umbrella, urchin, UBC chord, unicycle, and ukulele. What other words begin with the letter U? U is for... That's right, unicorn. What is a unicorn? Unicorns are magical and pretend creatures. Unicorns are usually shown with shiny white bodies and one spirally horn on their forehead, making them look very special. Even though unicorns are not real, in stories they're always gentle and friendly, spreading happiness and kindness wherever they go. What do you think unicorns look and act like? Let's look at a unicorn.
Okay.
The unicorn has that single horn on the forehead, a horse body, a long tail, and 4 hooves. Let's look at some different unicorns for ideas. What do you see? I see unicorns in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a unicorn. Let's draw a unicorn. You need paper, marker, and something to make color with. Time to create our unicorn art. Curve, kind of a C. Do a straight line out, wrap around. So we have our horse shape for his head. We're going to do 1, 2 lines down for the neck, line up and around for the body, and 1, 2, 3, 4 long rectangles for his long horsey legs. And now we're going to go back in and start adding some details. The very first thing I want to do is go to the middle-ish of the head and do my small circle with smaller circle on the inside and color in for his eye. Little oval colored in for the nose, little smile line. I'm going to do my unicorn's ear out of a curve, kind of upside down U. Then I'm going to go back to the top of the head, do a curved line with 1, 2 straight lines to make the horn. And I'm going to fill in some little lines there for some more detail. Then go to the bottom of the feet and do 1, 2, 3, 4 curved line for those hooves. Go to the back, do 1, 2 curving lines down for the tail, and I'm going to make them meet by doing a zigzag line. However many ziggies looks good to you. Then we're going to go back up and work on that mane a little bit, add some more detail. So we are going to do zigzag lines wherever look good to you. Around the eye, around the horn, down the neck, and back up. Now I'm actually going to fill those out a little bit, because I like that kind of fuller look. All right. Now I'm going to go in and add some more lines inside so that those lines start blending together and it looks like that was on purpose. Now, because unicorns are make-believe, you could go in and add whatever details you want. You can make this a fire unicorn, give him some fire designs. You could add wings, whatever looks good to you. I'm going to choose to do some polka dots, make him like an Appaloosa unicorn. And there you have your unicorn. And remember, unicorn begins with the letter U. So I'm going to do a big U and a little U just to help me remember. Now let's add some color to our unicorn. I chose to do purple, blue, yellow, and green because that's what looked good to me. Ta-da! You made a unicorn! That is unique. Unicorn is for
You.
U, the letter U. Thank you for joining us today. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. We'll see you in the next one.
It's time for V.